Let's learn how to create this. First, we need to add a gradient color to the background. Go to the Format Background. Click on Gradient Fill. Keep only 2 stops. Now, add color as you want. Draw a rectangle and change color as you want. Make sure to remove shape outline. Now add a curve shape. Draw a shape like this. Select rectangle and curved shape and merge it. In here we are using fragment. Now click outside of curved shape and delete it. Remove outline of all shapes. Now time to add heading text. And also add description content. Bring it outside of the slide view area. Now add character and other stuff. Resize and move to the slide as you want. Now duplicate the current slide. Select the shapes that we merged. Move them outside of the slide little bit. Now make heading text small and align with the description. Also bring other images to the slide view area. Click on left curved shape and bring it to front. Now select both slides and add more of transition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.